What's going on? How you doing? I go by the name of Raw Ink TV. In this video, we're going to be talking about investing in Cleveland, Ohio. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider liking, subscribing, and get a cup of coffee or whatever you need. But we're going to talk about investing in Cleveland and Ohio. If you guys don't know, I'm a music artist, and I was born in Cleveland, Ohio. I started doing music for about 7 years now, and I've been an independent artist for 7 years. And throughout me being an independent artist, I learned a lot of things of investing in the music aspect. I wanted to transition from music to actually real estate now. Just this last year, I was able to do 2 deals on real estate, so I got really encouraged to really want to start a real estate channel and basically talk about real estate on this channel. So by all means, that's just the introduction of where I come from. But investing in Cleveland, let's talk about this. So a lot of things that's been going on, as you can see, there's a lot of renewing in Cleveland. There's an all-star game coming up actually next week, so a lot of people are going to be coming to Cleveland. So for me, growing up in Cleveland, not too many people came to Cleveland at all. Like, the only thing that was good out of Cleveland was LeBron. Like, you guys know, like, if you're from Cleveland, Ohio, the only thing good in Cleveland was LeBron, you know what I'm saying? And then after that, people will be like, what is in Cleveland? So, you know what I mean? A lot has changed since LeBron left. A lot of stuff has happened. One, our team, Cleveland, the team itself is a monster. They're going to the playoffs. That's crazy. Like, the Cleveland Cavaliers, they're doing good right now. Unfortunately, the Browns didn't go to the playoffs, but there's always next year, right? And the Cleveland Indians, they're a good baseball field. They're good baseball. So there's a lot of things to do in Cleveland, like as far as sports wise. So if you guys like sports, Cleveland is the spot for you, right? Like, so sports is locked in. The music scene is a lot going on with music. So if you guys are music artists, like if you guys are out there, to start a music, you can do that here in Cleveland. There's so many like DJs, there's so many clubs, there's so many bars, there's so many places you can go to perform. So if you're a music artist, that's another thing you can look at it. There's a lot of people that can shoot videos, studios and stuff, and it's cheap. Compared to like other cities, it's actually cheap. So that's another thing. Now, the most important aspect is cost of living. It's cheap, guys. Let me tell you, it's cheap to live in Cleveland. Like, it's not really that expensive. Houses on the market. I be on the websites, and I be checking out the houses. There's houses on the market for $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. Like, that's really low. Like, you can buy a house cash, $50,000. If you save your money up for 2-3 years, you can just go up to and start closing on some deals. All you need to bring is like a couple of percentage, 10%, 5% down on and just to get the deal started, you guys. That's really good. And it's a lot of things that's renewing, like the lakes over here in Cleveland. Like, they got these Cleveland signs that's like legendary. Like, it's like the Cleveland signs is like it's like you can see the city view and stuff like that. It's beautiful. You guys gotta check it out. Like, if you guys ever come to Cleveland, just know, give your boy a like. If you new to this channel, give your boy a like, cause I'm trying to tell y'all, Cleveland is really rocking, y'all. Like, it's rocking, man. So I'm excited because this is my home city too. On top of that, so it's like, it's really exciting for me to see these things. You know what I'm saying? I've been living here for all my life, so I'm really like a diehard Cleveland person. So I really hope if you guys are from Cleveland, drop a comment. Let everybody know where y'all from in Cleveland, and let everybody know if you're from Cleveland, or if you've never been to Cleveland. Drop that in the comments too, because I want to know. I do check the comments, so feel free to drop a comment at the bottom of this video. But on the real estate, I was able to buy land here. So that's another thing. If you guys are investors, if you guys are big investors, this is a good place to start investing now before things get, you don't know what the future might hold, but after this All-Star game, you might want to start claiming, what I mean, try to look for some deals now, because after the All-Star game, there's going to be a lot of eyeballs on the city. I ain't going to lie to y'all. But right now, it's good. The market's kind of low right here. Everything is real low compared to the national average of everywhere. So you might want to come, why it's hot right now. What else? What else? Am I missing something else? Casinos. They have casinos here. You can, if you like to gamble, stuff like that, they got the casinos here. A lot of people tend to go to a event, like you might go to a sports game and then afterwards go to the casino and stuff like that. There's a lot of like nightlife events, like clubs and stuff like that. The club scenes is really like it's lit, y'all. Like from like West 6, when I used to go out there, I don't really go out no more, but when I used to, like West 6 used to be like the club to go to. So if you go to downtown Cleveland, you can check out like West 6 and stuff like that. It's definitely a lot of clubs and stuff like that. So that's another thing you want to look at. Another thing is there's right now, even during the pandemic, there's still like jobs available. So if you guys are trying to look for jobs, you can just check online, and there's still a lot of people looking for work right now, especially during the pandemic and COVID. A lot of people just didn't want to go back to work. So now that the companies are running back over, like they're looking for people. So if you guys need a job, it's a good place if you need a job and stuff like that. So that's basically all of I can think of a good way why you should come to Cleveland. Why would you invest in Cleveland? So if you found this video helpful, please give your boy a like. Make sure you hit your boy with a subscribe, and I will be back with another video. It's your boy Ronnie T. I'm gone.